Let's be real. Have you ever felt like your curls have a mind of their own, but your haircut is holding them back? Are you tired of fighting frizz, struggling with flatness, or just feeling like your hair is dead? What if the secret to your best hair ever wasn't another product, but the perfect cut? In 2025, curly hair is finally getting its main character moment. We're seeing styles that celebrate bounce, embrace your unique texture, and let your curls live their best life. From edgy chops to soft romantic styles, your perfect haircut is out there. This isn't just about what's trendy, it's about finding the cut that feels like you. In this video, we're counting down the 10 most exciting curly hairstyles for 2025. We'll break down the vibe of each cut and show you exactly what makes it special, so you can find the perfect new look for your curls. This is the year to embrace your natural texture with styles that are creative, freeing, and absolutely gorgeous. We'll show you what curly cut is perfect for and why it might be the exact change you've been searching for. From a daring pixie to a revolutionary technique like the DevaCut, get ready to feel inspired. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the inverted bob. This is not your average bob. It's a dynamic cut with a story, creating beautiful lines and a ton of intrigue. Also known as a graduated bob, it features a shorter length in the back that gets progressively longer toward the front. For curly hair, this structure is genius for two reasons. First, it takes away all that bulk from the nape of your neck that can get heavy or tangled. Second, the longer pieces in the front let your curls cascade beautifully, framing your face and highlighting your jawline and cheekbones. The vibe of the inverted bob is chic, modern, and just a little bit daring. It's for someone who loves a structured look but isn't willing to sacrifice the playful bounce of their curls. This cut creates a stunning, swooping angle from back to front that shows off the unique pattern of every single curl. If you've ever dealt with the dreaded triangle head, that can happen with one-length curly cuts. The inverted bob is the answer. The built-in layers create volume where you want it and a sleek taper in the back, making sure your curls look intentionally chic, not unruly. Coming in at number 9, we have a style that's all about edgy cool, the choppy cut. In a world that often pressures curls to be perfectly uniform, the choppy cut embraces a little bit of beautiful chaos. It gives you a look that is effortlessly cool, full of texture, and loaded with personality. The style is defined by blunt, asymmetrical layers cut at different lengths. This whole technique breathes so much movement and life into your hair, creating a carefree vibe that is totally magnetic. So, if you're struggling with a lack of volume or a shape that just falls flat by midday, the choppy cut is your new best friend. Those varied layers stop your curls from clumping together into one solid shape. Instead, they bounce off each other, creating a look that's alive and dynamic. This style works especially well on short to mid-length curls, where it adds a modern, youthful edge. The personality here is bold, artistic, and a little rebellious. It says you're confident and you don't follow the rules. For 2025, the trend is moving away from super polished looks toward more lived-in styles, and the choppy cut is the perfect example of that shift. At number 8, we're celebrating a classic that's been reimagined for curls, the layered bob. While the inverted bob is all about sharp angles, the layered bob is its softer, more romantic cousin, offering gorgeous volume and a timeless shape. This is the perfect cut for anyone who wants to boost their curl definition and create a full-bodied look without going for something super short or edgy. Landing anywhere between the chin and shoulders, the layered bob is incredibly versatile. The secret, of course, is in the layers. For curly hair, layers are everything there, essential for managing weight and encouraging bounce. If your curly hair is on the finer side and tends to look flat, layers will create the illusion of fullness. And if you have thick curly hair that feels heavy, layers are perfect for removing that weight, allowing your curls to spring up. The result is a beautifully rounded shape that frames your face with soft, bouncy curls. The vibe is romantic, chic, and effortlessly elegant. It's approachable and friendly but still looks totally put together. For 2025, we're seeing it styled with a deep side part for a little extra glamour, or with soft face-framing tendrils. It's a beautiful, reliable choice that proves you don't have to do something crazy to find your perfect curly style. Our number 7 spot goes to a specialized technique that totally changed the game for curly hair, the Ouidad cut. This isn't just a haircut, it's a whole new approach. Developed by the Ouidad salon, this cut uses a trademarked carve and slice method designed specifically to work with your natural curl pattern to get rid of bulk and stop frizz before it starts. If you've ever felt like your curls stack on top of each other and create that pyramid shape, the Ouidad cut was literally designed to fix that. Here's the idea. A certified stylist cuts your hair while it's wet, carving and slicing to remove specific sections of weight. This allows your curls to fit together like puzzle pieces instead of stacking up. This technique encourages amazing curl definition and separation, letting each individual ringlet shine. The Ouidad cut is for the curly person who's serious about hair health and wants to get the absolute most out of their natural texture. While the DevaCut is all about a dry curl-by-curl approach, Ouidad's wet cutting technique creates a super consistent and interlocking shape. The result is a style that doesn't just look great on day one, it grows out beautifully. With less frizz and healthier looking curls, halfway through our countdown at number 6 is a truly bold and empowering look, the curly pixie. For years, pixie cuts were almost always shown on straight hair, which made a lot of people think it wasn't an option for textured hair. Well, 2025 is all about breaking those rules. The modern curly pixie is chic, edgy, and proves that short hair and curls are a match made in heaven. It's also incredibly versatile. It can be styled to look sophisticated and sleek, or perfectly tousled and playful. The trick to a great curly pixie is leaving enough length on top for the curls to form their pattern, while keeping the sides and back shorter to reduce bulk. This contrast creates a beautiful shape that really makes your facial features pop. If you're looking for a low-maintenance style that still makes a huge impact, the pixie is a winner. Its personality is fearless, confident, and fashion-forward. It's for the person who isn't afraid to stand out and let their face be the main event. For those with finer curls, a pixie can make hair look thicker, and for those with thick hair, it can feel incredibly freeing. Coming in at number 5 is the curly shag cut, capturing that rebellious, free-spirited vibe that's totally in for 2025. This retro cut, famous for its choppy layers and fringe, has been totally updated for natural curls. The magic of the curly shag cut is its ability to create effortless volume at the crown and a cascade of disconnected layers that let your curls move freely. The modern curly shag isn't about harsh lines. It's about soft, shaggy layers that bring out the best in your curl pattern. Because it's designed to look a little messy and lived in, it's a fantastic choice if you want to add shape without a ton of daily styling. It's especially great for medium to long hair if you're craving more movement. Adding bangs, whether they're short and wispy or long and curtain style, softens the look and adds a playful, modern twist. The personality of the curly shag is pure rock and roll, bohemian, and just effortlessly cool. It's a style that never tries too hard but always looks amazing. At number 4, we have a trend that's both soft and bold, curly bangs, especially when paired with an edgy undercut. For so long, curly girls were told to run away from bangs, but 2025 is the year of the curly fringe. A well-cut fringe can beautifully frame your face and highlight your eyes no matter your hair texture. From short and choppy to long and side-swept, curly bangs bring a fresh, youthful energy to any style. What makes this trend even more exciting is mixing those soft, bouncy bangs with a daring undercut. The undercut, which is a closely shaved section on the side or at the back of your neck, adds a cool element of surprise. It's also an amazing way to remove a ton of bulk if you have very thick hair, making everything feel lighter and easier to manage. The combo of delicate curls around the face with the sharp, clean line of an undercut is such a cool contrast. The vibe is artistic, confident, and totally unique. It's for anyone who loves mixing soft and hard elements to create a style that's all their own. Entering our top 3 is the revolutionary technique that has empowered millions of curly heads, the DevaCut. This is more than just a haircut. It's a specialized dry cutting method created just for curls.